Hello, I'm Thomas Fox again. This is our second demonstration. In our first demonstration we have seen the OmniB blender, 3 horsepower blender, actually supposedly yielding in 2. That is the motor is a self-compensating energy saving motor. Brand new technology. Then we know, of course, BlendTech with its adjustable automatic speed control with its 25 blending cycle program. Pretty unique. We have flour, a little bit more coarser flour. This is, if you remember correctly, this is for the BlendTech. This was done by the BlendTech. This was done by the OmniB blender. By the way, the OmniB blender is a Taiwanese product, excellent quality. We have examined it thoroughly. Now we want to see how the Vitamix 1005 commercial blender, 3 horsepower blender, comes with a 3-year warranty. Awesome product, we love it. It does cost $4.95. Okay, but just bear with me. The same amount of beans. A little bit difficult to read these. It's about at 12 ounces. So again, this is noisy. There we see. Maybe 10-15 seconds, not more than that. I don't think so. We've done about, if I guess, I don't have a clock here, apologize, but that was about 25 seconds. About 10 seconds, maybe we could have done a little bit better if we used a manual programming. We can try that again in a little bit, but let's just give this all a fair. This is flour, this is bean flour. Look at this quality. This is amazing. Very powerful blender, but again, you know, our favorite, because it cost, well, $250, $500, $250, $500. Here's my argument. If you have the money, $500, buy the Vitamix VitaPrep 3, because you're not going to look over your shoulder and wonder, wishing, I wish I would have bought something else. Okay? Here we are again. Let's try this again. This time I'm going to use manual. To be fair, right? Okay, that will do it. About 100 decibels. That is the manual operation system with this here, otherwise you gotta choose the program, and if you do mess up, well, that's a cross, by the way, or it could be a sword, or it could be some kind of a tool. Now let's try this again to give this a fair chance, because I'm guessing that that will take a little bit longer. We haven't plugged that in. I guess we're gonna try this again a little bit later. This is a pretty fair shot. Let's see here. Now this is much better. So we can assume flour, this is actually smoother. Time, and I'm not saying this one is better than this one, or they're all good. The point is, this can do the same thing as this. It can accomplish it, it just needs to take a little bit more time. Okay? $250, $400, $500. Pretty good deal actually for a 3 horsepower blender. We do sell it for less, just wanted to tell you that, but we're not allowed to advertise the less price. Thank you very much. I'm Thomas Fox. Watch our next video. Bye.